Yeah, this is Steve in Oregon, and this is some video footage, some pictures, but mostly videos of our trip to the Kenai River in Alaska and to the Kenai Peninsula for sockeye salmon. By no means am I a professional photographer or professional videographer, so enjoy the pictures and videos as you see them, as I took them from my phone. It was such an epic trip. I cannot wait till I go back. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. All right, we're just watching the show here at the Kenai River mouth. You know, a couple of salmon getting caught. Carcasses everywhere. I think that guy's got one right there, maybe. We're looking. Nope, maybe not. Yep, there it is. Mouth of the Kenai. Totally epic. Looks like this guy's got one right here.
Another one
right there. Look at that. Oh, that's a big old dude.
No, it did catch like a king.
It's not a king.
I said you did catch a king.
No, they cannot keep the king. Yeah, come on. Looks pretty good. Kenai River in Alaska. What a trip. Carcasses absolutely everywhere. This is great. Got a couple fish here. Yeah, there it is. More. Watch this guy. This guy has like a 30-foot long pole for his dip net. This lady just got 2 in one net. See right there, 2 in one net. Let's see what he's got. Seriously, that pole, look at that lady's going back there and he's still dragging it in. And he's got one. Big ones. Oh, here we go. Another one right here in front of us. Look at that big one. Whoa, dude. Alaska's here. Yeah, this guy's getting one right there. Yeah, right there. Let's see what else we got. Oh. Nope, lost him. Yeah, fish. There's a guy bringing one in. There it is. Let's see what he's got. Big old long rod or pole again. Dip netting. Oh, that's a nice big one there too. Amazing. Here's one here too. Yes, sirree, Bob. I just can't believe how big that thing is, man. 95. Unbelievable. World record. 97 pounder. I'm back to the counter back here. I can't even back up anymore. Amazing. Well, I'm at Soldotna Bridge. This is a Soldotna Visitor Center, I think. Is that what this place is called? I know, I've already seen a few fish on it.
Is it Kenai River?
Kenai River, yep. And here they are. They're lined up over here to clean their fish. Got lots of fish everywhere. Amazing. Just a quick video here. This is at Centennial Park. I got my 6. Slower today though. Wow, this is the epic view from the cabin here, looking over Cook Inlet. Unbelievable. Ninilchik, Alaska. Crazy view, beautiful. We've seen one black bear and one moose. Moose ran across the road on a full gallop. Wow, what an incredible view from the Ninilchik, Alaska. Epic fishing trip. I don't think I'd want to be out there today though. It's kind of windy. You can see those trees really moving. Wouldn't want to be halibut fishing today. I know there's the diehards out there, but not the seasick prone people like me. Yeah. Well, this is the Nick Dudiak Lagoon here on Homer Spit. It's low tide and the fish can't get in that creek right now. There's some guys bobber fishing the ocean over there.
Somebody got one right there.
This size too.
Where?
Nice one, straight ahead.
Oh, that is a nice
That's
one.
a nice coho.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on that. There it is. Nice.
Did you land one?
Kachemak Bay. Land's End.
I just had binoculars to watch those nets, you know?
Yeah, there's some boats out there netting some kind of fish. Probably salmon of some sort. So they're netting some kind of fish over there, salmon. They got a big old net out. So they're obviously there's fish that come through here. They're able to gill net here. Where?
I just reeled one in, yeah.
Where?
Way down by the yellow jacket to the right. Yeah,
By the yellow jacket?
way right. With the orange
Let me go see.
With the orange jacket?
Oh, I can't see. I got sticks in the way.
Yeah. Oh, nice. You got it.
The guy with the white pole's getting something.
Well, the guy next to me, I'm going to walk down here. Yeah, he's doing fine.
The guy next to him got one?
Yeah, that
Interesting.
That kid and then the guy with the...
Beautiful sunset here after 11 o'clock at night in Alaska. Some fishing boats out there. A beautiful night. Sunset after 11 p.m. in Alaska. It's like 11:15 p.m. right now. Very beautiful. Some fishing boats out there. So far, 3 days of sockeye fishing. I've got my 18, 6 per day. There is a lot of fish coming in. The last day they counted, there was 180,000 plus sockeyes. Absolutely insane. Look at this.
Wow.
We're fishing. There's a moose right here come floating down. Look at that moose. He's floating down. Can you see it? Look at that moose coming down.
Hey, mouth, guys.
See? I can see my fishing pole right here. Mouth?
Yeah.
The fish are in the Kenai River. Look at that. Another one in the net. Smile, Bo.
Hi.
Smile, Brian. Smile, Brian. Here you go. Fishing over here into Homer Spit. Right here. I already caught like a 8-pound Pacific cod and a couple of pollock. Smaller, I mean like 20 inches. And these guys are gill netting out here. Gill net boats. Right here off the spit. Must be a bunch of salmon. Kind of cool. Yeah. Nice. All right, Brian.
All right, first limit.
That's a limit. That's a wrap. Let's go look at mine.
All right, ready? Stand. You got to get me. No, you got to get.
Oh. All right, there's Bo's fish.
Yeah.
All right.
This is Steve and his limit 6
There it
fish.
is.
Oh boy.
30.
Yeah, in Kenai River.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. That's 36 fish in 6 days. Yeah. Total limit. 36 fish. 1 hour and 5 minutes for these. Now the fun begins. Cleaning station. Kenai River. Brian's got one on. Did you get it? Yeah, he got it. How many is that, Brian? 3? I'm first guy up today. Lots of people fishing. Nice. Kenai River. I'm done for the season because I gotta fly back. I don't have any more room in the freezer. Over and out. Fish on. Crazy fish. Going nuts. In the net. Helicopter going by. There's I think that's the Nenilchik River coming in the ocean here. There. We got an eagle over there. America. RVs over there. Amazing. 360. It's freezing cold today. It's been in the upper 70s, humid and hot. But not today. Today it rained, I don't know, a quarter of an inch. It's super windy and about 54 degrees, freezing cold. Alaska. Our last evening in Ninilchik, Alaska, overlooking the Cook Inlet. The sun is wanting to shine through. It rained today after about 5 straight days of nearly 80 degrees. T-shirt and short weather. Epic trip, epic trip. We stayed at B&K Retreat. Do-it-yourself cabin, do-it-yourself fishing. Definitely want to come back. Had a great time. Yep, we stayed at B&K Retreat. Look at that sunset over the Cook Inlet. Of course, it's not the sunset yet. Sunset's not for like 3 more hours, but anyways, the sun's shining through the right on. Let's see if I can zoom that in. Right on Mount Redoubt. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely epic. Unbelievable. Totally beautiful. Fishing boat out there. Yep, Alaska delivered. Thank you, Alaska. Bringing home 100 pounds of fillets of sockeye salmon and some cod that I caught. Beautiful, wonderful trip. It's Bird Creek. Looks like they're gonna net one over there.
There's the splash.
Yeah, there's a fish on right there. Is it in the net? In the net. Bird Creek, Alaska.
Another one on.
Another one on. Game on. Game on.
3 up. Steve, there's 3 already.
Yep. 3 on in about 20 seconds.
Yeah. Look at that.
So there's your report for Bird Creek, Alaska. Bird Creek, Alaska. There's the bird. There's the creek.
Look at he's trying to drag it up.
Yeah, they've had about 3 fish on in about the last 20 seconds here. We're heading to the airport, so our freezers were full, our boxes are full. So we didn't get a chance to stop and fish this. I wanted to, but I have no more room for fish. Fishing was so good, it was incredible. Bird Creek, Alaska.